Hello everyone, I am Chinmay Chandar studying in grade 8A in Goldenbee Global with WebCure, BTM campus. Paper Bag Day, also known as World Paper Bag Day, occurs on July 12th each year to celebrate the humble paper bag, which does so much more than just carrying our groceries. The significance of paper bags are to discourage the use of plastic bags and generate consciousness about how harmful they are to the environment, as they take thousands of years to decompose. However, paper bags are biodegradable, which makes them an important cornerstone to preserve our planet. Today, millions of people choose to switch to paper bags as the widespread use of plastic raises alarm bells in our collective consciousness. So, how do paper bags aid us in the fight against environmental pollution and climate change? Firstly, paper bags are biodegradable, which immediately makes it a preferable alternative to plastic, which isn't. Paper bags are also made of renewable raw materials, which makes it easy for them to be recycled and encourages us to a sustainable lifestyle. Surprisingly, paper bags can be quite durable too, except when too soggy. And they now have an upmarket aesthetic appeal thanks to high-end brands popularizing minimal and sustainable packaging. So what isn't to really love about paper bags? Francis Wolle, an American inventor, created the first paper bag machine in 1852. Later, in 1871, Margaret E. Knight introduced another machine to generate flat-bottom paper bags and rose to fame as the mother of the grocery bags. Better paper bag designs and manufacturing processes were developed by inventors Charles Stilwell and Walter Dubiner in the years 1883 and 1912 respectively. The final product, which is the paper bag of today, is clearly a combined effort of all these inventors. So we have many to thank. Thank you.
Goldenbee Global, the bee hive of learning.